Hi, my name is Chris with the Kid Project, and today I want to show you how we carry 5 bikes in the back of a short bed F-150. We wanted to be able to carry our bikes both undercover to keep them safe from the weather and safe from people. And this truck came with this topper, and so we were trying to figure out how we were going to carry them. And so what we did is, at first we were trying to figure out how to keep things from sliding around in the back, and then we realized that we could use that to our advantage. And we just got a piece of plywood, which slides out really easily, and we mounted on it various truck bed mounts. And so this is the Quat dirt bag, and those come in widths for standard and boost. These are all standard. This is the Rocky Mounts one, and actually you can loosen these 2 screws here and swap out the shaft for different widths of forks, whether it's a standard or boost. And then on the other end, a few of our bikes still have 9mm quick release, and so we were able to get some pretty inexpensive quick release tie down cleats. And so what we do is we just come and we mount the different bikes on. We do have to pull off the front wheel, but that's a pretty quick thing to do. And then we'll lift it up, put the other 2 bikes on, and then you can just slide the whole stick in the front wheels and you're good to go. So I'll show you what that looks like now. So it took us a little bit of time to get things worked out with exact positioning and loading. First off, when I started this whole thing, I took the sheet of plywood and got it cut to the length of the bed, and then I actually put it on the floor of our garage and maneuvered the bikes around to see how I'd get everything to fit. There's a little bit of Tetris going on here. You'll actually notice if I pull straight out, one of the handlebars will attach to the side of the shell. So I have to just shift it a little bit as it comes out. The exact arrangement of the bikes matters too. You can see the 2 that are facing back are rotated just slightly so that the handlebars can clear each other. On the other end we have some similar adjustments going on. The 2 side ones are both turned out. And then we had to move the middle bike as far forward as possible so the handlebars would clear the rear tires of the rear facing bikes. A few other things we do is we usually put some front tires between bikes, because as you bounce down the road sometimes they can bounce around and bounce into each other. You also see there's a little bit of play, and that's actually the plywood flexing. And so on the back end where we only have 2 bikes, I actually added a piece of reinforcement wood, partially because I think I chose too thin a plywood to start with. We actually attached the bike mounts using a T-nut on the bottom and just a 1/4 inch bolt going into the T-nut. A few other things that come into play, it's nice to have dropper posts, or at least quick release posts, because my dropper post has to be down all the way for it to fit in underneath the edge of the topper. Anything else? Is that it? Alright, well, that's all we got.